Hey guys, TheTechOtaku here and welcome back to another video on the channel. So as you can tell, this is the Tesco plastic bag. So what's inside of this plastic bag? The title already finds out. Whoop! Whoops. Yup, that's the new speaker. Sorry about the previous clip there. And also I bought the refreshing gel for my room because my room smells like crap. So this is the Vinnfier Icon 303 laptop speaker. So it says notebook speaker for some reason, so I need a USB powered speaker so I can use it for my PC, which is over there. So sorry about the mess on my bed. So here's the box. As you can see, we have a pretty interesting presentation of the speaker itself. And as you can see, we have yellow accent and oops, and of course we have the Icon 303 logo, and we have mic on the bottom here for some reason. On this side, we have some specifications. On this side, we have pause that if you want to read. But oh well. And we have on the back, we have more specifications in different languages. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and there's no seal on the bottom, so it should open like this. There we go. And let me go ahead and open this up. Oh god, this is a plain white box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up.
Oh yeah, we have a new speaker.
I don't know why is there a microphone port there. I don't know why did they include that, but cool. We have a USB 5V port. It's a USB 2.0, not 3.0. And we have a volume controls, which is interesting. And we have a speaker itself. And it's wrapped in the bubble wrap. I really love the yellow look. I think it's more like orange, to be honest. The box is yellow, but the speaker itself is orange, which is weird, but that's fine. And of course we have some manual. No one reads this. It belongs to Hitachi anyway. RIP laptop. There it is, the Vinnfier Icon 303 mic, or Vinnfier Icon 303, whatever I wanna say. We have dual speaker here, and we have a Vinnfier logo on the top, and on the back we have nothing else. Icon 303. Yeah, it was powered with the USB. So I'm gonna go ahead and test these speakers up and see how they sounds. Alright, I'm gonna open up no copyright sounds. So that's the music that I've used on that one Hishikawa Rika channel. I mean the intro, sorry. So let's see how they sound like. Let's check this out. Cool little bars. Let me visualize it. So yeah, that's the speaker test. Tell me what do you guys think of this speaker, so comment down below. I think that's about it for the unboxing of the Vinnfier Icon 300. Yeah, it does have a built-in mic. This is a fairly budget speaker. I bought this for 24 ringgit, which is pretty insulting, but hey, it's pretty cheap. It's budget friendly, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out. TheTechOtaku signing out.